Hello everyone and welcome back to Phonics. Today is the last sound in group 5. Yippee! So today, number 1, we're going to check our special friends. Number 2, we're going to introduce our new sounds, and ooh. Number 3, we're going to sound out the words. And number 4, you're going to read and match. So here are our special friends that we've been doing from groups 4 and 5, and I would like you to see which ones can you remember. First, you're going to pause the video to try and remember them, and then when you've had a go, you can press play again and I will reveal them to you. So, which do you remember? Pause the video and find out. Okay, let's check. What about the red one? What did you say for the red one? Let's have a look. A. Well done. What about the orange one? What did you say for that? I. I. What about the yellow one? Oh, brilliant. What about the green one? E. And the one that goes with that one? O. And the last one, the sound that we did a few days ago. What's this? Fantastic. Well done. Those are our special friends. I, A, O, E, O, and Fantastic. Okay, let's see. Oops. Our new sound for today has 2 O shapes, and it's a special friend. Now, the thing that's tricky about this special friend is that it says 2 different sounds. It can say and it can say ooh. Ooh. Now, grown-ups, if you're using these pictures or the Jolly Phonics app to support your learning at home, then notice that we use a different action at Tradewinds. We do this with our hands, and ooh, instead of the rocking motion. The girl has a cuckoo clock. At 4 o'clock, she watches the clock to see what will happen. The cuckoo pops in and out of the clock saying, ooh, 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 and the girl copies. There are some different words here and here. These ones all have the sound, and these ones all have the ooh sound. Are you ready to say what I'm talking about? Book, 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 look, hook, hook, book, took. So all of those had the sound. Now let me read these ones with ooh. See if you can say what I'm talking about. Oon, moon, spoon, soon, shoot, shoot, ooth, tooth. Now it's time for you to get your pencil and your paper, or your whiteboard and your whiteboard pen, to practice our and oo sound. Remember, whenever you do an O, it is always a caterpillar shape. You always start here, come round, and join it back up to the top. Just as always, make sure that you've practiced our new sound 5 times. As you do it, make sure you're saying our new sound, either or oo. Pause the video here to write our new sound 5 times. Right, now that you've practiced our new sound, I've got some words here which have and oo in them. I'm going to say each word and I'd like you to point to the picture. Boot. Here it is. Spoon. Here it is. Book. Here it is. Moon. Here it is. Look. Here it is. And hook. Here it is. So we've got look, book, spoon, boot, hook, and moon. I would like you to pause the video here so that you can sound out each word one at a time. Decide, can you hear an sound or an oo sound? Let's do look and boot together so that you know what I'm talking about. Which sound did we hear? We heard What about in boot? Boot. Boot. Ooh. Okay. So for all of the others, please pause the video, sound them out and see which sound can you hear? Or oo. Well done, everyone. This is your read and match page. You'll find it on Class Dojo so that you can read the top line, which are all words, and the bottom line, which are all oo words. Well done, everyone. We finished Group 5. You can even print out the Group 5 picture if you'd like to for your display. Well done, everyone, and I can't wait to see all your jobs on Class Dojo today.